familkayga aniga hooyadayda waa Somali asal aabahaygana waa Carab
وسمن وملح اوكي aniga maamadeeda Soomaali ah aabahayga waa Carab Yemeni
So my mom is English and my dad is Somali. So you probably never... I mean, I'd be bloody shocked if you...
دول ضد واحد هاي دول وطلياني نكان وا Somali في طليان اسكدله Somali إنجليزي اسكدله Somali برتغالي اسكدله بدد كان كلا صار
ما
دلشاهان marka la fiiriyo Somali iska dhalma ahaan oo kale waa Talyaani iyo Somali waa isku jir waa iyo arrimaha noocaas oo kale
horta taas been maaha aniga horta nin Soomaali oo muwaadin oo dhaladan ahay dhaladka ma naqan karo macnaha dhaladka dad khalad u fahmi karo qofka habartiis iyo adoogiisa inay Soomaali ahaadaan la muhiim ma waa aniga gumeysiyaan soo marnay waxyaalo badan aan soo marnay adduunkana meel walba ku jira aniga aabahayga من صومالي فنان لكسايو أبدع سيس نور ترسن من محترف أو فنان لكسايو شرحي لتوما شركة شرحي لتوما شركة كتنبيسو كهيساي أنا أبي الحمر واي هو يجي من الجرمن واي هو يجي ذا حبرت الأشياء وقاعدين هو يجي ذا لما الجرمن ولا الأشتين المرة الرقوية أجران أو الأشياء إساقة أيدين وقاعدين أنا لكن مزيوني أنا ما هو يدي مزيوني أنا مزيوني هو يدي أبي هذا عدانها حضرتنا وحيد Somali أنا كنا أبي هذا وحيد Somali حضرت يا عدان حضرت يا جرمن ها أنت
هذا قبل ما نسكين ما هو هذا المكلا يصير الشيء مستوى وحو كلية وأديك كلية مركز
والله هرت هاي أنا كلية أخذتها أيضا كلياني يكونوا شيء ما شاء الله ولا حريرنا وأسكبر هاينا أبنا وقدم كوبجوجا ناكلوا قضاء عروق كلوا ليه أو أنا يجوا أبه ما شاء الله.
Ethnicity. My dad's from Italy and my mom's from Djibouti, so gang.
My name is Sarah Adam. I'm born in Kenya. I was born in the year 1993, 1st of July. And my mother's name Fatma Musa. My father's name Kuro Adam.
So where your mom and your father got married?
Okay, what I know, maybe before I was born, maybe the year 1990, I'm not so sure. Or 1991, yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay.
She left from Somalia. She was saying there was a coup in Somalia, so they left Somalia. They came here in Kenya.
haddii ay noo sheegi karto waqtiga hooyadeed oo Soomaali ah iyo aabaheed oo aan Soomaali ahayn isguursadeen waxay noo sheegtay taariikhdu inay aad u garanayeen laakiin ay u malaynayso inay ahayd sanadkii 1990kii xilligaas oo Soomaaliya dagaalo ay ka dhaceen.
I'm mixed with black and white. My dad is black. He's 100% Somalian, and my mom is white, and she is English and Scottish.
But what I want to talk about your name, Abdulli Walsh. That's you're smiling.
Yeah, I'm Somali. I'm half Somali, half Irish.
Half Somali, half Irish. Amazing.
Yeah.
And how did that happen? I mean,
it happened in the war. So
in the war?
Yeah.
So you laugh about the war?
No, I'm just like it's amazing. Like when my father is Irish.
Your father's Irish.
Yeah, and my mother is Somali.
Somali. So you take after your father, you feel, or your mother? Who's do you favor? Your features?
No, I'm staying with my mother.
Your mother?
Yeah, my mother. Yeah.
You favor her features.
Yeah.
So what was it like in Ireland, being Somali and Irish? I mean, did you find that kind of difficult at times? I mean, you don't have a brogue. Can you do a brogue?
Actually, it was different country, but
Yeah.
I went to Somalia when I was young, but it's a little bit difficult. But I grew up, Ireland.
In Ireland, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, can you do an Irish accent? Can you talk like that? No?
No.
No, you stayed with the Somali.
Yeah.
That's great.
Is your ethnicity? My ethnicity. No, yes, it's not. I'm asking you this question. We're answering it together.
Okay, Somalia, Philippines.
Half Somalian, half Filipino.
Somalia. I was born in Saudi Arabia. What is this? I was born in Saudi Arabia and raised in Yemen. My family are from Yemen and my family are from Somalia. It's both. Basically, my family, their culture is Somali. We're more into Somali because my family are mostly Somali.